What animal? What animal kaya with a very long trunk?
Elephant.
Elephant. What animal? What's the tallest animal in the world? Tallest animal in the world.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Oh, wow.
What animal that can talk to people? Very colorful animal. Ano yun?
I don't know.
It can talk to human. Polly. What animal?
Parrot.
Parrot.
Uh-oh, this misses. That's okay.
What colors nag-start sa letter P?
Pink.
Pink. How about what instrument starts with letter V?
Violin. Na na
Violin.
na 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 na. That's my favorite song.
What's your favorite song?
Yeah.
Um,
The violin is my favorite instrument.
wow.
It's the biggest violin in the world.
Baluya. Ano yun?
Violin. It's the
It's like-
instrument that plays big bow and a big violin.
Big balloon.
Violin.
Baluya.
Violin.
Baluya. Ano ba gayon?
Violin. It's the
I-google ni
instrument
Maya.
sing like a violin.
Seems like a violin.
Yeah, it has a
Viola.
bow and a side bow blade. And play together to make a sound. Na 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 na
Share ka ng story dyan sa video. Yung story mo na. Tell ka ng story. Dali.
Hi guys. Oh, it's Björn.
Okay. You can say anything you want.
No story.
Okay. Ano lang?
Guessing game.
Guessing game.
You know who I is.
Can you spell your name?
L L E A N N A A.
Dali. Ang apelyado mo?
Liana.
Liana what? Liana Buchichang?
Yes.
Spell mo yung Morales.
I don't know.
M
M
O
O. What color?